Welcome to our morning view. Alright, let's talk about camping at Devil's Tower because honestly it's one of those bucket list spots you need to experience at least once. First off, the campground right inside Devil's Tower National Monument is pretty classic. It's called Bell Fourche River Campground and it's about as close to the tower as you can get. Picture waking up, unzipping your tent, and boom, the tower's right there. Now here's what you need to know. There are no hookups for RVs, and that means no power at your site. So bring a power bank if you need to keep those devices charged. It's first come, first served, no reservations. If you're visiting on a weekend or in the summer, try to arrive early in the day to snag a spot. Gate entry's pretty straightforward. You'll pay at the entrance station, and if you've got an America the Beautiful pass, it covers your admission. Otherwise, it's a small fee per vehicle, and they'll give you a map to find your way. Now let's talk about supplies. If you forgot something, or just want some ice cream, there are two stores right outside the main entrance. One's a classic gift shop with snacks and souvenirs, and the other has a little bit of everything. Groceries, firewood, and even some camping gear if you need a last-minute fix. Once you're set up, take some time to walk the tower trail. It's an easy loop with the most incredible views. And seriously, don't miss sunset. The colors on the rock are unreal. Camping at Devil's Tower is all about slowing down, soaking in the scenery, and just feeling a little bit awed by where you are. Trust me, you'll leave with memories you won't forget. If you found these tips helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more travel secrets. Drop your questions about Devil's Tower in the comments below. Remember to slow down and enjoy the view.
I got my bags packed, timeline on track. My winter coat stuck in the closet way